Dear Hormuz, then Zia. I wake Jamshid up at 7 a.m. to get him ready for the day. Wake up. Come on, come on. Slowly. Slowly. Yeah, come, get. Now, Jamshid, I told you to be slow. Slow. Now, shut your lips. Shut your lips properly. How will you shut your lips? Come on, Jamshid. That's better. Hurry up, Jamshid, hurry up. Hurry up, huh? Eight to 9, he has his chai and sandwiches. Jamshid, slowly. This chap inhales his food. Slowly. Keep saying to him, slowly, Jamshid, slowly, Jamshid. Jamshid, don't forget your work. 9 to 5, he goes to Om Creations.
साथे रमिए, साथे जमिए, साथे करिए सारा काम.
His teachers tell me he is the last to sit to work
कायम रहे जो सभी साथे.
and the first at lunch.
खटखट बजता श्री भगवान.
बस इधर. Melting of the sugar won't take any time. So add the eggs and then you can bake it. You've got the whole recipe or I'll send it to you again.
फिर जाके उनके मुंह से अनाज सुनाने फिर सिंगल बेड की चादर दे दी ये भी नहीं सोचा शादी के बाद बच्चे डबल बेड पे सोएंगे अच्छा पाजी आपकी शादी
So baby all set?
That's right, yes. I had my first session and it went off all right. Then they call me and then we have the radiation session, which takes about 2 minutes. That's all.
9 बजे
Okay.
अर्बन क्लास से
Bye,
बच्चे
Daddy.
घर पहुंच जाएगी 21st century है बेबी
5 to 6, he watches his show. He's most happy when he's around someone whose attention he can grab. Oh, that's right. And be somewhat understood. Alexa, play Baha'i prayers. Is there any remover of difficulties save God? Say, praised be God. He is God. All are his servants, and all abide by his bidding. May they follow thy commandments and abide in thy law. Help them, O God, in their endeavor, and grant them strength to serve thee. O God, leave them not to themselves, but guide their steps by the light of thy knowledge, and cheer their hearts by thy love. Verily, thou art their helper and their Lord. Six to 6:30, we have dinner and I watch my show. If you're distracted, Jamshid will overeat. So always pay attention. Small bites, Jamshid.
Walk straight.
Around 7 or so, he goes for his walk.
That's it. Good boy. Jamshid, look in front. Walk straight.
No.
Last.
Last.
If you don't make him go, he won't walk a step.
Last. Kevala.
Yeah, come.
Kevala.
Yes, you can have the cake. Come, sit. Sit. That's it. Good boy.
Joe.
Yeah, let him do. He's picking up the rubbish.
You must keep Jamshid's routine intact while looking after him. He'll have a special place in the other world where he will have the power to look after all of us. Keep that in mind. All my love.
मम्मी.
हाँ मैं राजू बोल रहा हूँ. कितने बजे आएगा?
मम्मी.
नहीं बोल के गया था ना वो. हाँ हाँ. नहीं टाइम नहीं बता के गया है. नहीं आए तो उनको बोलना मैं. हाँ बोलना राजू याद कर रहा था. हाँ मैं शाम को 4 बजे बोल.
मम्मी.
नो मम्मी. ठीक है.
मम्मी.
नो मम्मी. स्कूल से. वेट. कम.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What happened?
Late.
Why are you so late?
Raju late.
क्या हो गया राजू?
Very good. Come on. Monica, inside. Hey, wrong down, right? Ready? Do walk. Look down. Then we do. Now take this.
Yeah.
I'm very upset, Jimmy. I'm very upset, right, sir?
Yeah.
I'm very upset with my mother. Not they know. She got a swine flu and immunity got. Now? Yes. Now what happened?
Mommy is sick.
Yeah, mommy's sick.
With me.
Okay.
weapon systems along the LC gun.
Hey, Liza, call mommy.
I heard you ask for mummy, but I can't find that name in your list of contacts or devices.
No, mommy.
I heard you ask for mummy, but I can't find that name in your list of contacts or devices.
Call mommy. Yes, mom, call mommy.
वॉक पे जाने का हमसे
No.
नो नो
No. No.
नहीं जाने का
No.
कम ऑन हो
No.
जाने का
No, no.
नो जाने
No. Give me no. No walk. No walk. No, mommy.
Oh God, Jamshid, what are you doing in the dark? You're not ready yet. Put the light on. Put the light. Come on, get up quickly. Quickly. Wear your shoes. Come on. What is this? I told you long ago to get dressed and be ready. That's it. Wear your shoes. Properly. That's better. Okay, who's coming for dinner?
Nai.
Then?
Nai.
Then?
Yeah.
Very good. Then?
Almost.
Almost. That's right. So we are happy?
Mommy.
Happy. Of course you're happy. Get up. Give mommy a hug. Thank you.
Body.
Yes, that's right. Now let's go. Okay. Yeah, I know exactly what.
अरे मम्मी, how did the radiation go?
I'm feeling fine, but a little tired, but otherwise okay, no problem.
That's good.
Yeah.
Chalo.
No, wait.
I'm going.
Wait. I have to give you letters for instructions on how to deal with Jamshid. It's his routine. Yeah, routine for him is very important. Pay a little bit of attention to him.
What did you do today in school? What did you do?
Holiday.
Today holiday. Very good.
O my God, unite the hearts of thy servants and reveal to them thy great purpose. May they follow thy commandments and abide in thy law. Help them, O God, in their endeavor, and grant them strength to serve thee. O God, leave them not to themselves, but guide their steps by the light of thy knowledge.
What's the matter?